In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take these lug bolts out. And before you take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel. Take that out, then grab the wheel and pull it off. On the back side where the stud is, I'm going to use a 17mm wrench and a 16mm socket. Take this nut off. There's a bracket right here. Take that bracket off. And you can pull the link out of the bracket using a 17mm wrench and a 16mm socket. Take this nut off down below. Grab the link. It comes right out. Now take the link, slide it in position, get the nut started. The wrench on, snug this down, and we'll torque this to 43 foot-pounds. Now take the link, slide it through the bracket, and then take this other bracket, slide that over the stud, put the nut on, take the wrench, hold the stud from spinning, and we'll snug this down. And we'll torque this to 43 foot-pounds. And put the wheel on, get that lined up. Put the lug stud in, snug that down. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.